Hey everybody, so we wanted to let you know that this week we'll be covering a subject that could be a little abrasive to folks who are sensitive to animal welfare issues. If that's you, maybe hop off, but if you want to keep tuning in, this is a super important subject. Let's dig in. So first off, I think this is a safe enough space for me to come out and say that the pork industry is
That's all, folks.
The way that our country produces pork is really unethical. Pigs are actually much smarter than dogs. They have conflict management skills, and we're treating them in unimaginable ways. But it stretches beyond animal welfare and environment. It's also a massive human rights concern. Hog CAFOs are notorious for causing significant water and air pollution, often in rural communities of color. That's a story for another time. However, thanks to a recent ruling by the Supreme Court on California Prop 12, pork sold in the state of California now must have been raised with at least 24 square feet in an enclosure. So if you're eating pork in the state of California right now, congratulations. At least it came from a pig that was able to turn around. And I know that sounds insanely bleak, but I want to assure you that this is huge progress for an industry that is so very dark. This is going to create, and has already created, a big impact for the industry. This is a massive change for pork farmers and for the way that they conduct their business. Most of the pork industry is very mad about this ruling, claiming that this is going to hurt farmers and that people are going to have to start paying more for pork. So there are some exceptions here, apparently. Only whole uncooked pork cuts, like tenderloin or bacon, have to be Prop 12 compliant, while all other products like pre-cooked pork, ground pork, deli meat, which represents about 42% of pork consumption in the state, don't. So even though this industry has a lot of cleanup to do, Prop 12 is good news. In conclusion, Prop 12 has shown a light on the fact that the way we produce pork is totally immoral. And I don't say that to bum you out. Instead, let's hope this lights a fire under the arse of America so that we continue to fight for better animal welfare and pasture-raised livestock. In a perfect world, we would love if all animals were pasture-raised and regeneratively raised, and that it didn't take a SCOTUS case to incentivize slight improvements to factory farm conditions. Until then, if you want to get your hands on some actual pasture-raised pork, you can visit our website to find a regenerative farm near you. And with that, we hope you have a lovely rest of your week. Thanks for tuning in.